Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Starfield crashing on PC. Okay, first things first, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Navigate then to the Processes tab and close unnecessary background apps to free up system resources. Next, corrupted or missing game files can cause crashes. So make sure to verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher. For example, your Steam, your Xbox Game Pass PC. Another thing that you can do is to uninstall Starfield via the game launcher. Reinstall Starfield to ensure a fresh set of files. Download the latest BIOS update for your motherboard. Reboot after BIOS flashing completes and update chipset drivers from the manufacturer. Disable to any CPU or GPU overclocks in the BIOS. Use programs like MSI Afterburner to reset your graphics card to stock speeds. Run a thorough anti-malware scan with updated definitions and quarantine or clean any infection. Quarantine or clean any detected infections. Scan again to ensure removal, and for sure that by following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve Starfield crashing issues on your PC. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Starfield crashing on PC. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.